This song is for you, Inosa Sausau. Born on August 9th, 1984. Taken from us on February 23rd, 2024. From Vaturu, Nadi, you filled our lives with laughter, joy, and love. Your jokes, your smile, your presence, we will never forget. This is for you, brother.
Inosa, we remember you today. Your laughter, your jokes in every way. On your farm in Apolonia tower beneath the sun, with friends and family, always having fun. From Vaturu village, your spirit shone bright, sharing cover stories, laughing all night. Though you're gone, your love stays near. We feel you with us forever, dear. Your smile still echoes, that voice still sings the joy you brought us in little things. Epeli, Naika, and Apolonia, Asena, your pride and your love, your siblings, your family, now watching from above. Remember you, Inosa Sausau. Your laughter still echoes in our heart. Even though we're broken, we'll never be apart. Oh, tears may fall, but we celebrate your ways. Your laughter, your stories, the love that stays. Your spirit dances where the river runs, in the sun, in the breeze, in everyone. Epeli, Naika, and Apolonia, Asena, your pride and your love, your siblings, your family, now watching from above. Alessi, Meroni, Dawaitu, Temalesi, Inosa Sausau, remember you, Inosa Sausau. Your laughter still echoes in our hearts. Even though we're broken, we'll never be apart. Inosa Sausau, your light will remain in our hearts, in our memories, through joy and through pain. Rest in peace, dear brother, your love never fades. We'll carry your laughter through all of our days.